Today I'm going to review notes and rests. Notes and rests have different shapes to show you their value, or how many beats. Notes indicate how long to play a pitch or sound, and rests indicate how long to be silent. This is a whole note. A whole note is 4 beats of sound. When we clap a whole note, we're going to do a clap followed by 3 circles with our hands. Let's try that. Whole, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Whole note. Whole, 2, 3, 4. A whole rest resembles a bowl, and it's 4 beats of silence. To do 4 beats of silence, we'll throw the sound away. Whole, 2, 3, 4. The half note is not colored in, and it has a stem. The stem can go up or it can go down. Its value is 2 beats. So when we clap a half note, we will clap half note. A half rest resembles a hat, and it's 2 beats of silence. We throw the sound away. Half rest. So let's practice both of those again. Half note, half rest. Next, we have our quarter note. Notice that now the oval is colored in and it has a stem. Again, the stem can go up or down. A quarter note is worth 1 beat of sound. We call it ta. So when we see a quarter note, we will say ta and clap once. Ta. This is a quarter rest. A quarter rest is 1 beat of silence. We throw away the sound for 1 beat. Rest. Or sometimes we will say shh. A single eighth note is colored in, has a stem, and now we've added another part. We call this part a flag. So the eighth note has the note head, stem, and a flag. An eighth note is worth 0.5 beats, or a half of a beat of sound. We call it T. Try that with me. T. This is an eighth rest. An eighth rest is a half beat of silence, and we will say Ready? Go. Now, most often when we begin reading music and rhythms, we will start with pairs of eighth notes. You'll notice that they have 2 note heads, meaning they'll have 2 separate sounds, and they are connected by a beam. The stems are connected by a beam. We call these T-T. T-T. That's going to be 2 sounds that happen in the span of 1 beat. T-T. Next is our 16th note. 16th note has the colored in note head, a stem, and 2 flags. The more flags or beams that a note has, the shorter its duration. So a 16th note is only 0.25 beats, or a quarter of a beat. We call it T. This is a 16th rest. You'll notice it looks similar to our 8th rest, but now it has 2 of these little flags on it, and it's worth a quarter of a beat of silence. Most often, when we are starting to read rhythms, you will see 16th notes in groups of 4, and we call them tika-tika, and there will be 4 separate sounds that happen in 1 beat. Each 16th note is a quarter of a beat, so 1, 2, 3, 4 16th notes equals 1 beat, and we clap it like this. Tika-tika, 4 sounds. Tika-tika. And those are the rhythms that we will be using in our rhythm review. See you next time.